Hi, welcome back to Odoo 15 Development Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to count records using search count in Odoo 15. When we go to the customer's form view, here we have this smart button sales from where we can see all the sale orders related to a particular customer. And also inside the smart button, the integer value of the number of records is also shown here. This can be obtained using search count function in Odoo. Now let's take an example. I'm taking hotel room management, which is a custom module. Here I have this model hotel.accommodation from where we can select the guest information, bed, facilities, room and all. And inside the room, here we have the smart button accommodation. Like we can see all the accommodations related to the particular room from here. So I'm going to add the number of records, the value of the number of records here inside the smart button. Let's check the code for this. Inside the Python file, I have this model hotel.rooms, which is the model for the rooms. So I am going to add a new field, accommodation count, which is a compute field. I'm going to define the function for the field. For rec in self to avoid the singleton error. Now let's assign the value for the new field, rec.accommodation count equal to, here we can use the search count function. Search count function will return the record satisfying the particular domain. Now let's write self.env. The model which is hotel.accommodation dot search count and here we can specify the domain. Let's check the technical name of the room field in the hotel.accommodation model, which is room ID. Equal to rec.id. Now let's go to the XML file. I'm going to add this field inside the smart button, which is having a widget stat info to see this inside the smart button. And now let's run the PyCharm and upgrade the module. Let's go to the module. Let's take the rooms model. Now we can see the number of records or number of accommodations related to the particular room inside the smart button. In this way, we can use the search count function in Odoo.